Hey y'all. Easter Sunday part 2. You all missed a little bit of traffic I did get into. Once I got away from Franklin, North Carolina, though, it got a little bit lighter. Do y'all know why the Easter bunny's always hiding Easter eggs? I'm gonna tell you, it's because he doesn't want to get caught screwing chickens. I should neglect all of my other bikes and just ride this bike all year so I can feel like I'm a good rider again. When you have MBS, multi-bike syndrome, it really ruins how good you are on one particular bike. You might be a good rider on all your bikes, but you're no longer a stellar rider on just one bike. gotta admit, so far this has been pretty good. I'm not sure about what time it is right now. Most of the churches I've gone by, they were still, parking lots were still full. I left the house about, I don't know, 10:40. And it takes me about an hour and a half to get where we are right now. Hour and a half taking back roads. I'm not one for slabbing it anywhere, not that there's any good superhighways near here, but there's a lot of 4-lane roads that I can jump on to cut some time off. But in North Carolina, if you're on a 4-lane road, you're almost guaranteed to see a trooper somewhere. That's where they make all their money. Fucking old man peeing on the side of the road. At his age, you're surprised he doesn't have a catheter. When I get that old, I'm just going to transition to a woman. That way I don't feel bad about sitting down every time I pee. YouTube will probably flag that because that's disrespectful to dudes who want to be women. Finally caught some traffic. A Goldwing holding up a S2000 is what it looks like. No, it's a Miata. S2000 was an amazing car. It's too bad Honda doesn't make those anymore. I almost bought an S2000 back in the day. I ended up buying a Toyota MR2 Spider instead. I don't have any regrets. The MR Spider was really a cool car.